Hello guys, hope you are doing great. I'm Sampath. Today I will show you how to use Apollo filters to get our targeted B2B data. If you can watch this video up to end, you will understand everything clearly. Or if you want me to provide you targeted Apollo data for a very reasonable price, I can also help you with that. Whether if you want 10k, 50k, 100k, 500k, even 1 million also I can help you with that. If you want Apollo data services for a very reasonable price, you can contact me. I'm mentioning my contact details in the video description box. You can directly message me on WhatsApp or you can approach me through other social media platforms. You just need to create Apollo account with the business email so that you can have a chance to access all the Apollo filters. Once you filtered your targeted results, you just need to share with me this URL so that I can open this URL and see the same results and I can download and provide it to you based on your requirement. Whether if you want email list or whether if you want cold calling list or if you want to scrap targeted data from LinkedIn, then if you want to find out their contact information using Apollo also, I can help you with that. So if you want this kind of data services for a reasonable price, you can directly message me. As I said, you can directly message me on WhatsApp. Now let us jump into the Apollo.io. Suppose for example, if you can see here, Apollo having a 233 million database. So we are going to use Apollo filters to get our targeted data out of this 233. So I will walk through each filter so that you can understand better. So first one, I'm going to the email status filter. Once I go to the email status filter, I'm clicking here verified. So that means we will get only the good data if you can click the verified. So if we didn't click the verified, so we can also see here unverified data, user managed, update required data, unavailable data. So if we didn't select, sometimes we might get bad data. Sometimes we will get data without email IDs. But if you can click the verified, we will get good quality data. So here you can see earlier it was 230 million, right? Now it reduced it to 83 million. This means Apollo have 83 million verified data. So now I have entered my targeted email status filter. Next, I will go through the location filter. Here you can see the location. Here, location, we can have a chance to select based on our targeted zip code, or we can also select based on our country wise, state wise, or all the region wise. Suppose for example, whole Europe, we can also select whole Europe, or whole America region, Asia region, Africa region. We can select all the region, just simply select the region so that we can get all the data relevant to that region. Suppose for example, here I just want data from United States. So I will enter here United States. So here I'm just clicking United States so that we can see the data only from United States. So you can see the contact location. Here you can see the company location. So this means like if you can enter the contact location, we will get contacts from that particular country data only. So you can here enter the headquarters upon headquarters location. So we will get companies from that particular country. So, but contacts might be from, if that is a large company, contacts we might get from other countries too. So if you want contacts from particularly US, better we can choose here contact USA. So now you can see here 31 million database, it reduced actually. So from 88 million to now we can see 31 million. Next I will go to the employee size filter. So here once I go to the employee size filter, so we can have a chance to select here our targeted employees, company size actually. So if you want, we can select like 1 to 50 or 50 to 1000 or 1000 to 10,000. Also, we can have a chance to select. So I'm trying to click this one. Employee size. You can see 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 50. So I will say please select 1 to 50 so that you can have a chance to see data from this level employee sizes only. These employee size companies only. Suppose for example, you can see if you want large companies, we can select here. If you want medium sized companies, we can select here. But in present, I only want small companies. So that's why I selected here 1 to 50. So we added the employee size filter. So we added the location filter. We added the employee size filter. Next, we go to the industry and keywords. So here we can choose our targeted industry. Suppose for example, if you want IT companies, IT industry, if you want manufacturing, pharma, or missionary, so we can simply enter our targeted industry here. Suppose for example, I need marketing and advertising related companies. So I can enter here only the marketing and advertising. So here you can see. So here marketing and advertising. So I will select marketing and advertising. So once we have selected the marketing advertising, you can see data count will change here. So sometimes it may take few seconds to load. We just need to wait for that. Otherwise, we need to do everything from starting. So now here we added our targeted industry to it. So now you can see we added email status filter, we added the location filter, we added the employee size filter, and we added the industry filter. Next, we need to add our targeted job titles filter. So here you can see here we can add our targeted job titles like CEO, owner, founder, or marketing director and all. Or you can also add the data based on the management level. Suppose, for example, we want all the owner level, founder level, C-suite level. So we can simply select this so that we will get uh, those companies, these level people only. So, or if you want, we can select directors, managers, senior, or something else. But if you want to choose, these are like small companies, right? It's better to choose owner, founder, C-suite. If it's a large companies, we may select like marketing directors and all. I think for this, for small companies, like these are the main key job titles. Now we selected the management level. So here you can see we can also select based on the department level. Suppose, for example, we can select based on finance or human resources, legal related people only, or marketing department people only. So, or you can see sales related people only. We can have a chance to see if we select this. But at present, I need a owner, founder, C-suite level. So that's why I have chosen only these. So next, or if you want direct only the particular job titles, we can also select those actually. So doesn't necessary for me now. So that's why I added only the management level. So now we added the job titles now. Here we added the location. Here we added the employee size. And here we added the industry. So now suppose for example, here you can see, suppose for example, our targeted results are 14.8K. So I have done some mistake here. You can see I have removed the 1 to 10. So maybe that's why data it is showing very less. So if you can add the 1 to 10, so we can see the more results actually. So I'm also selecting 1 to 10 so that we can see the different results there. So now we can see almost like most of the companies are 1 to 10 size companies only. So now we can see the 62.1K. So now here we have all the targeted filters. Job titles we added. So we added here location, we added employee size, we added the industry, and we added the email status. If you want here, you can put the companies. Company means if you want targeted employees from that particular country, sorry, that company, we can have a chance to add that company name so that we can see the employees from that particular company only. Or we can go to the include here, include or exclude. So we can add a chance to add list of companies here so that we can see those list of companies are decision makers only. But in present, these filters are enough for me. So now here you can see our targeted results are 62K. Here net new means, so the data which we didn't save, here saved 32K data means this data already we have saved on Apollo. That means we already previously worked with this data. So we just need to save this 9K data to get all this 62K data. But for example, if we can save the data, then only we can have a chance to download. Otherwise, we cannot download. This net data we need to save, then only we can download. But at present, if you can see here, I will simply going through the saved. Once I go to the saved, I will simply download the file and show you how it looks like, so that you will understand better about Apollo actually. So hopefully you are already clear, right? We have you utilize the job title filter, we have used the country, we have location filter, employee size filter, industry filter. So and also we have utilized the email status filter. Now company means like I think these are the good results. So now here saved means like the data which previously we saved actually based on our requirement. Now I will download this data and show you how the data looks like. So now I'm trying to select all. So once I select all, I'm just clicking apply. So once we click the apply, so that we can have a chance to select everything and we can download the data once we select everything. So I can see everything is selected. Now I can simply click the export. So once we click the export, here you can see, please click the button below to start the export. So now here you can see export all email IDs or export verified email IDs. I'm just clicking export all email IDs and click the export records. Now we can see the process is started. It is loading actually. So within few minutes, a process will complete and we can have a chance to see the file. So now I will show you actually. So if you can wait a few minutes, see you can see here your export is currently being processed. It will be emailed to you when complete. Feel free to close this window. So I think it may take like 4 to 5 minutes to download and finish the process. Meanwhile, here I can show you the files. I can show you the files which I previously downloaded, so that you can have a chance to see that file and understand better. So here Apollo file. So here we have an Apollo file. So I will just try to open it so that you can have a chance to see the which data is available on the sheet after we download it. So here this file is loading actually. So here you can see this file is being processed. So it may take a few minutes to process everything. So meanwhile, I think this file will be opened and I can show you that. So you can see this is like the pushing actually. So this is the file. Once we download this file, so we can have a chance to see file like this, like first name, last name, job title, company name, email ID we have here. We have seniority level, department level, company phone number we have, employees we have, keywords we have, person social, here these are the company social media profiles we have, company location we have, like company phone number, company technology usage statistics, company revenue, or if the company got funded, here we have a chance to see the funding details too. So I can scroll down this one little bit. So I can have a chance to see the 49K data around. So this is how Apollo file looks like. So it's still loading. So, but hopefully you'll understand everything. So we just need to filter our targeted results like job titles, employee size, like location and all. So that once we filter everything, we can have a chance to simply download the data. So here you can see this is also being processed actually. But you understand everything, right? So if you have any doubts in this process, please comment in the video comment section. Or if you want targeted Apollo data, like as I said, if you want 10K, 50K, 100K, 500K, even 1 million also, I can provide you for a very reasonable price. So you can just message me on WhatsApp if you want my data services. And please subscribe my channel, and thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you guys.